In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to denoise grainy video in CapCut. If your footage looks sandy, speckled, or just a bit rough, you're seeing image noise. It often shows up when a scene is shot in low light or with a high ISO, and it can distract from the story you're trying to tell. The good news is that CapCut has a built-in tool that makes cleaning this up fast and beginner-friendly. Start by opening CapCut. Once the editor loads, you'll be in a workspace where you can see your media library and the timeline. Make sure you're on a recent version so the interface looks familiar and you can follow along smoothly. If you're on desktop or mobile, the overall flow is the same, even if buttons live in slightly different places. Next, add your media to the project. You can bring in a video clip that looks grainy, or even an image if that's what you're working with. The process is identical. After you add it, place it on the timeline and make sure it's selected so CapCut knows which item you want to improve. Take a quick look at the preview window and note where the noise is most visible, usually in darker areas, skies, or flat-colored walls. Having this reference in mind will make it easier to judge your results. Now, click on Reduce Image Noise. This is the denoising control that analyzes your media and softens that distracting grain. Depending on your version, it may appear in the right side panel, the toolbar, or within an adjustment section, and it may be labeled slightly differently, but it serves the same purpose. When you apply it, CapCut processes the content and smooths out speckles while trying to keep edges and details clear. Watch the preview after it finishes. You're looking for a cleaner, more polished look that still feels natural. Be mindful of fine textures like hair, fabric, or tree leaves. The goal is to reduce noise without turning those details into plastic or mush. A couple of quick pointers as you evaluate the result. Noise reduction is a balancing act. Heavier reduction can blur details, while lighter reduction may leave some grain behind. Aim for a realistic middle ground that fits your footage. Also, remember that denoising works best when the original exposure is decent. For future shoots, more light will almost always mean less noise and less work in post. That's it. Open CapCut, add your media, and click Reduce Image Noise. With those simple actions, you'll transform distracting grain into cleaner, more professional visuals, all without complicated setups or plugins.